I remember learning about exponents when I was in middle school, way back when. We just learned how to do it, but we weren't really shown how they were used. It wasn't until I started to learn about computers that I saw how exponents were used. I knew that computers had memory, but I kept hearing people say their computer had kilobytes or megabytes of memory. I wasn't sure which one was better. I eventually learned that it all had to do with powers of 2. You see, a kilobyte is 2 to the 10th power, or 1024 bytes of memory. A megabyte is 2 to the power of 20, which is 1,048,576 bytes of memory. Gigabytes and terabytes are even larger, but it all had to do with exponents. This lesson is about exponents and simplifying expressions with exponents. Let's start from the beginning. Multiplication is used for repeated addition. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 4 times 2. But what about repeated multiplication? This is where exponents come in. Exponents are used to show how many times a number is used in repeated multiplication. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, using exponent notation, is written as 2 with an exponent of 4, which is written above and to the right of the 2. Here, the number 2 is called the base, and the 4 is the exponent. When you see an exponent notation like this, it's called a power. For this, you'd say 3 to the power of 5. The base is 3, and the exponent is 5. It is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. If you want to simplify 3 to the 5th power, that is, write it as a single number, I suggest multiplying from left to right, 2 numbers at a time. Doing this, I get 243. You can multiply in any order you want, though. The answer will come out the same if you do it correctly. Here's another example, 4.5 squared. The word squared is sometimes used when the exponent is 2. 4.5 squared is 4.5 times 4.5, right? When I multiply, I get 20.25. So 4.5 squared is 20.25. There's just 2 more things I need to show you. Any number with an exponent of 1 is equal to the number. 4 to the first power is 4. 9.3 to the first power is 9.3. You get the idea. The other one is hard to understand, but easy to remember. Any number to the 0 power is 1. 6 to the power of 0 is 1. 435 to the power of 0 is also 1. Mathematicians defined it this way, so it's nothing you should ponder on too much. Give one of these a try on your own. Which answer choice is equal to the repeated multiplication in the question?
All right, so in this situation, we have the base 5. So we know that we're going to keep 5 down here. All right, you should not keep 9. And then how many 5s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 5 to the 9th
Great
power.
job. This is repeated multiplication. The base is 5, and the exponent is 9 because there are 9 5s in the multiplication. Now that you know about powers and exponents, you're ready to use them to simplify expressions. Here's an example. 6 squared plus 7 to the 3rd power. Simplify the exponents first, then add. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. 7 to the 3rd power is
7 times 7 times 7.
which is equal to 49 times 7, which is 343. Now you can add. 36 plus 343 is 379. Here's another expression, the quantity 32 minus 24 to the 3rd power. To simplify in the parentheses first, 32 minus 24 is 8. 8 to the 3rd power is 8 times 8 times 8. This is 64 times 8, which is 512. That's it. How about trying a practice problem?
Okay, sure, we can do that.